We got some pictures of the new Galaxy S24 Ultra a few days ago. A closer and more thorough look at the phone's design is now available in the form of new pictures. These pictures are far higher quality and include more detail than the previous ones. Pictures of the Galaxy S24 Ultra's design have been created by Technizoconcept and Rotter Super. The phone looks a lot like the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but its titanium frame is sturdy. The titanium frame seems to have a brushed metal finish in these pictures. The buttons in the top of the S Pen are no longer as circular as they once were. The phone screen is almost flat, with just a little curve where the glass meets the metal frame. The color of the S Pen is the same as that of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The loudspeaker no longer has a grid-like design, but rather a slot-like aperture. The phone includes 4 cameras on the back, one of which is shaped like a periscope for improved zoom. In a high-quality video, you can see how the Galaxy S24 Ultra may appear. The design of the Galaxy S24 Ultra was recently unveiled by Clever Pricks and on Leaks. They make advantage of the new Samsung flagship phone's 3D CAD renders. The Galaxy S24 Ultra seems to look a lot like the previous generation. The Galaxy S23 Ultra features a square design with sharp edges and a little curve on the sides, unlike the Galaxy S24, which does not have flat sides. According to the rumor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will feature a 6.8-inch screen, and it seems that Samsung has chosen a flat screen this time, which differs from previous Ultra versions in the Galaxy S series. The phone measures 162.3 by 79 by 8.7 mm, making it slightly shorter and broader than the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The phone is said to include 4 cameras on the back, a 200MP primary camera, a 12MP wide-angle camera, a 10MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 50MP telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. According to previous rumors, Samsung would not integrate a 10x optical zoom lens in this phone. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.